Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Basically, I belongs from Prayagraj, Uttarpradesh. Come to my academics, I completed my 10 and 10 plus 2 from SSI Center College, Kanpur with a percentage score of 71 and 62% in the year 2006 and 2008. Then I completed my engineering graduation from Annamalai University in the year 2013 with the stream electronics and communication with OGPA of 8.36 over 10-point scale. Then I started my career as a project supervisor in Sukham Power System Limited, and after that I had started my own business, but during the pandemic my business was ramp off. Then again I decide to start if then I again decide to start a fresh career in IT sector. Then I would know about Evision Technoserve Private Limited. Uh, in Evision Technoserve Private Limited, I joined full-time online job internship under the guidance of IT manager and administrator trainers from 1st November 2023. During the internship, I learned a lot from the Evision, and I am very thankful to our trainer and guider which helped me a lot in the theory as well as practical section. So over the year, I have acquired relevant experience which I should bring to the organization and also work hard on my abilities and teamwork, which I will put to use in my future career. Uh, Here, when I completed my all the courses in Vision full time job internship, I given 3 to 4 interviews. And I got selected in City US Communication Private Limited as a help desk engineer with a package of 2 lakh per annum. And I would like to say that thank you Vision for providing me this opportunity to start a career in IT sector. Thank you very much.